Welcome to another card tutorial. If you want to learn how to make this simple thank you card with rhinestone accents, keep watching. Shown here are all of the supplies that you'll need to make this card. This card is really quick and easy to make, and as you can see, you really just need minimal supplies. All of the specific items that I used will be linked in the description box below. The first step is to draw out the design in pencil. Apologies for the poor quality of the video here. There's a free template in the description box below should you choose to use it, which would make this step really quick and easy. Once you have the design drawn out in pencil, simply switch over to your thin black pen and trace over everything. I started with the leaves and flowers. And here I'm using my favorite Faber-Castell pens in size F, but really any thin black pen that you have will work. Once I'd finished the leaves and flowers, I moved over and traced over the words thank you. Once you have everything drawn out with your black pen, the final step of this card is to add the rhinestone accents. I started by laying them out on the card, and I chose to use 2 clear rhinestones, 2 pink rhinestones, and 1 purple rhinestone. Once I was happy with the placement and where I had each of the colors, I simply took my fast drying glue and glued them all on. An easy way to customize this design would be to simply change the color of rhinestones that you're using, or perhaps even the pen color, switching it up from black to perhaps purple or something really fun would really change up and customize this design for whatever recipient you're making this for. I hope you enjoyed this quick and easy thank you card tutorial with sparkly rhinestone accents. If you try making this card or any one of my other cards, I love to see what you've made. Tag Design Draw Create Ltd on Instagram so I can check it out. Thanks so much for watching. Happy crafting.